So this video is going to be a little bit different. Usually it takes me quite a while to make these, and since Jane reached out, I don't want to give her a chance to figure things out on her own. So here we go. Step number 1. Isolate your wall. Use the appropriate selection methods to separate your wall from anything that is not going to get paint on it. Select subject will take the furniture, and then I'll add the floor with the marquee selection. Apply a mask and voila! The wall is gone. Step 2. A. If you want to try some patterned wallpaper or something like that, add an image to a new layer and place it beneath your image layer. I'm just using color, but you get the idea. Step 2. B. Duplicate your image and invert the mask. Add a clipped adjustment layer to your liking. Color balance is one way to go. Another one is hue saturation. Just make sure it's clipped. Oops. And use colorize. You can play around with different blending modes to get different effects. Multiply usually works well, and if you think the colors are a bit too bright, just lower the lightness. Hope this helped you out, Jane. And for the rest of you, was this quick format a keeper? Or do you prefer videos with more time invested in animations and whatnot, like this one? Let me know, I really appreciate it. Bye!